Hello, for Uber Black?
Hi, yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Good.
How's your day?
I'm great. You know, honestly, I'm blessed to be alive, honestly.
I love that. I love your positive attitude.
Yeah, like I just finished meditating and I feel like the vibes are high.
Where do you meditate? Do you go to a studio?
No, I do it in my basement.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's like there's no light down there, so I get really nonsensical senses.
I love that.
Yeah, so are you into meditating at all?
Oh, yeah. Meditation, sound baths, breath work.
Oh,
yoga.
really?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I know we just met, but like maybe we could do like a meditation together or something sometime.
Yeah, I would love that.
Really?
Yeah, we should go to class together. What's your Instagram? We can follow each other.
Oh, yeah, I can I'll give it to you at the end of the ride.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So you
Awesome.
did Uber Black. It's kind of expensive ride, huh?
Yeah, treat yourself. It's Friday.
Yeah, no, for sure. I get that. Well, thank you, because it's really going to help out pay for my grocery bills this week.
Oh, awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Prices are rough right now.
Mm-hmm. Hey, what'd you just do?
It was a notification from Instagram.
Did you just cancel the ride?
No, my friend's sending me a bunch of memes right now.
No, it just said the ride ended. Why? Let me see your phone. Make sure you didn't.
What?
Can I just see your Uber app real quick? Because it literally...
No, it must have been an accident. I didn't do anything. I didn't touch it.
Okay, well, I gotta make sure, because it's saying the ride ended.
No,
are you sure you didn't click anything?
No, I was just on Instagram.
Oh, okay, because I don't know. I mean, I'm literally getting a new ride, so...
I mean, could you just, finish driving me? Because, we're friends now, right? So...
Wait, what?
Friends give each other rides, all the time, right? So...
I do give my friends rides.
Yeah, exactly. And we're friends. And we're going to follow each other on Instagram and, go to a sound bath together and meditate. So...
this is kind of like my job, though, because I need to make money, because that's what I'm doing right now.
Well, I think it still, gives you some. And then the other half can be because we're friends.
Well, yeah, it's going to be like a $50 ride, and I only got $2 so far, so...
Well, I can tip you.
Well, no, Well,
friends do each other favors. I just thought.
I thought you said it was an accident, or it was an Instagram thing. So now you are admitting that you did cancel it? Or?
I just thought we were friends. You said we're friends, and friends give each other rides.
Yeah, you do have a point. You are.
Yeah, exactly.
You really just want me to take you for free?
I'm gonna tip you.
Yeah, but it's okay.
That's better. Isn't the tip untaxed or something?
No, unless it's cash, but yeah.
Well, I could give you cash. That's so much better, and that's what friends do,
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess it makes sense. I guess I'll just work for free for the next hour.
You don't have to complain about it. That's a bad friend.
Well, I'm not trying to complain. I'm trying to be positive, high vibes only, but still,
It doesn't really sound like high vibes. I feel like you were this high vibe person, but now when something unexpected happens, you're not as high vibe, and maybe that was all an act.
I'm just I'm trying to pay my rent. It's due at midnight, so I need to make money to pay it.
Well, if it's due at midnight, I feel like you should have already worked through that problem.
Well, it's my roommate didn't pay because they said they were gonna pay me next month, and so I have to cover their rent. So
you shouldn't really rely on roommates then.
Well, I'm not, because that's why I'm doing this, so I could pay for my rent, so I don't get evicted. So
yeah, but it's the first is tomorrow, so shouldn't you have already had that money?
Well, I'm
just trying to help you out as a friend.
No.
Give you good financial advice.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that.
And this is free. This is free advice because I'm your friend.
Yeah, that's true.
Exactly.
You know what? My mom told me not to get taken advantage of, so...
I'm not.
You're taking it. I feel like you're taking advantage of me.
I'm not taking advantage when I'm giving you free financial advice that I would usually charge people.
Okay, you know what? You can order another Uber. I'm sorry. I'm no more Mr. Nice Guy. You can get out. I'm not playing Mr. Nice Guy anymore.
Okay, fine.
So you can get out.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
I thought
okay.
We were friends, though.
Does it look like I'm joking? Get out.
This is so much for being friends.
Do you see my face?
Are you gonna let me out or not?